Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to install Windows 10 image on VMware Workstation Pro 25H2. Here I have VMware Workstation and Windows 10 ISO. If you don't have already installed VMware Workstation, I have separate video for downloading and installing VMware Workstation Pro 25H2. And also if you don't have image, I have other video for downloading Windows 10 image. For installing Windows 10 on VMware Workstation Pro 25H2, open your VMware Workstation, create new virtual machine, select typical recommended, next. I will install operating system later, select this one, next. Here select your operating system. I want to install Windows 10 x64, next. Here you can write any name you want. It is okay for me, Windows 10 x64. From location, you can install or store this installation anywhere you want. If you don't change, it is by default on document virtual machine on Windows 10 folder. It is okay. Click on next. Here specify disk capacity. 60 gig is enough. If you want, you can select more, but it is enough. Next. Here click on custom hardware. Select 4 gig RAM. If you have, you can select more than 4. Come to processor. Number of processor, select 1. Number of core per processor, select 2 or 4, depend on your hardware. Come to new CD DVD. Here select use ISO image file, browse, find the ISO you download before. It is on desktop for me, Windows 10, open. Here come to network adapter. If you want to use internet from Windows or from your host, you can select NAT or you can select bridge. NAT is okay, select NAT. Come to USB, select USB 3. You don't need to change sound and display. Leave as default. Click on close. Click on finish. Now everything is ready for installing Windows 10 ISO on VMware Workstation. Click on power on virtual machine or click in this blue button. Press any key, enter, or any key you want. Guys, if you get this error or timeout, right click here, come to rest, again press any key you want. Now the installation is started. Here leave everything as default, click on next, install now. If you have a product key, enter your product key. If you don't have, don't worry, click here, I don't have product key. Here we have a different version of Windows 10. You can select anyone you want. I want to install Windows 10 Pro. Next. Here check I accept the license. Next. Which type of installation do you want? Select custom. Here we have OneDrive, it is 16 gig. Click on next. It is selected by default. Now wait a few moments. Your system will restart in this step. Here select your country, click on yes. Select your keyboard layout, it is US, it is okay, yes. Want to add a second keyboard layout, escape. Here enter your name or choose one username, next, password, confirm your password. Here complete the security questions. You can write any name you want, blah blah blah. Always have access to your recent browser data. Click on not now. Here you can accept on or you can off something you don't want, like location or anything you don't need, then accept, escape. Not now. Now we successfully installed Windows 10 on VMware Workstation 25H2. How to install VMware Tools to full screen Windows 10 on VMware Workstation? Come to VM, install VM Tools, come to File Explorer, this PC, click on DVD drive VMware Tools. Here click on yes. Next, select typical or complete or custom. Typical is okay. Next, install. Look, now we have full screen. Restart your system or reboot. Yes. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content like this. Enter your password. Now here we have full screen Windows 10. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.